Configuring VLANs on a Cisco switch segments network traffic, improving security and efficiency. Here's a step-by-step guide. Access the Cisco switch. Connect to the switch via SSH or console. Use credentials to log in. Enter global configuration mode. Type enable to enter privileged exec mode, then configure terminal to enter global configuration mode. Create a VLAN. To create a VLAN, type the following. Press enter to define the VLAN ID. Then, optionally, set a name for the VLAN by typing the following. Press enter. Assign ports to the VLAN. Exit VLAN configuration mode by typing exit. Enter interface configuration mode by typing the following. Assign the interface to the VLAN using the following command. Type exit to return to global configuration mode. Repeat this for each interface you want in the VLAN. Verify configuration. Exit configuration mode by typing exit and use the command show VLAN brief to confirm the VLAN and port assignments. Save configuration. Type write memory to save your VLAN configuration to the switch.